Hello everyone, here's Dr. Tân from Dr. Tân Clinic. Our clinic is a holistic clinic in Westlake, Hanoi, and we've been here for over 6 years. We work on Chinese medicine, chiropractic, and cosmetic care. We provide the services like Chinese medicine treatment including acupuncture, acupressure, moxibustion, cupping. We can also prescribe you some herbs that suit your condition. We also do spinal adjustment to help you to align your spine or to help you get rid of back pain or sciatic pain. Besides that, we also provide the cosmetic care, including the face manipulation technique that's called Bonart. This is a technique from Korea in which we use our hands to work on the face of the body and to change the appearance by moving the bones inside. And we do the cosmetic thread lift, in which we use a surgical thread to insert into the body and then lift up the tissue so that we can deal with situations like wrinkles or droopy eyes, or we can help with the double chin. So if you are interested in our services, feel free to contact Dr. Tan Clinic. We are very happy to talk to you and receive you for the treatment.